What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Xbox games via xCloud cloud gaming, whatever they're calling it now, on your Android TV device. This method should work on other Android TV devices as well. So the Android TV box is a $20 device you can pick up at Walmart, and they even introduced a stick version for only 15 bucks this past year, but that only does 1080p video, not 4K video. Okay, so to get this working, we need to install the Aptoide TV app. We are going to need to sideload the app, so make sure you give permissions in settings to sideload apps. You can really use any browser, I think, but I'm going to use the browser in the downloader app, which you can easily get for free. So basically, I'm going to go to Google here, and I'm going to search for a website called APK Pure. So I'm going to search the APK Pure web page here. So I'm just type in APK Pure. And I'm going to hit search. And it's the first one that comes up. So I'm going to click this on. And on the top right, there is a search button. And in that search button, I'm going to search for Aptoide TV or Aptoide. All right, so I found the app here, Aptoide TV. You're going to click on this green button that says download the APK. You might get an ad here. You can just close this out, close out the ad. All right, and you will have to scroll down again and look for the download APK app or green button that is again. So let me just find it. There it is. I'm just going to click this on. Right now, I'm just using the remote that came with the Android TV device. Going to get another ad here. Just hit close, no problem there. Now it's going to download the APK. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to install it because I've already downloaded the app itself. So I'm just going to click done right here. There we go. So now I'm going to go to all my apps so I can see the Aptoide TV app. And Aptoide TV is really just another app store you can download apps from. So now we just want to get the Xbox Game Pass app from here. So now I'm just going to search up Xbox to find the app. There's going to be two options here. Hit the green one that says get Xbox Game Pass, not the beta version. And I've already installed it, so it's just prompting me to open the app. So I'm just going to open it right now. All right, and there you go. We have the Xbox Game Pass app installed. Now we can just go to cloud gaming and try to play some games here. I do have my Xbox controller hooked up via Bluetooth, so please make sure you do that beforehand. So let's try to play some Forza Horizon 5 here. Make sure you hit the play button here. Highlight the whole green button, that oval button. And so now, right now it's saying it's disconnecting me. If that happens, just back out, try it again, and you see it should work. Let's give it a try one more time. And there we go, it's starting up. To launch the game, it does take about a minute. I'm just going to fast forward here a little bit so you guys don't have to wait. And there we go, there's Forza Horizon 5. Now let's try to get into a game and start racing. So definitely a little bit of lag on the controller, and the picture isn't as sharp as you would like it to be. But considering I'm playing Xbox games on a $20 device, it's pretty impressive. Alright, let's try another game. Here's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And here's some Minecraft dungeons. And now let's try some BMX biking with Descenders. So just to review, you're going to want to download the Aptoide TV app, then search for the Xbox Game Pass app within Aptoide TV. Now keep in mind you will only be able to open the Xbox Game Pass app within Aptoide TV. Not a deal breaker in my book. It's pretty cool that you can actually play Xbox games on a little Android TV box that only costs 20 bucks. So that's it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.